A gift matching and performing according to my hope is just my dream. I don't think this is very convenient to blend the product. Like a mauvish color. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very good. Today's video is going to be a review video of one of the most hyped brands in India. So as you have read the title, it is about Sugar Cosmetics, and today I have a bunch of products from them, including their makeup products and some of the lipsticks. And I also have this is their mini lipsticks combo. So let's review it and follow the video. Don't skip. I hope you will like it. My first product from Sugar is going to be one of my favorite, that is their foundation stick, which is their Ace of Face foundation stick. It is mini in the shade Tan Latte, which is originally formulated in Korea, but they have manufactured in India. It's come up with two lids. One is their original product, which is like this. You have to roll it like this, and this is, as I have told, in the shade Tan Latte, and it also comes with a brush, but I don't think this is very convenient to blend the product, so I will refer you to use the brush which you use originally. Also, if you use beauty blender, you can use it. I am telling you about the foundation. This is one of my most beautiful and natural covering foundation because it exactly matches my shade. This somewhat looks like this. This is very close to my original skin tone or texture. I think this mini is not available right now in any of the websites, so you can check out their original Ace of Face foundation stick, which is their bigger one, which comes I think 1,000 rupees or something. It originally costed rupees 799, but I got it for somewhat 600, and it is not very sticky and heavy, which is I like the most about it. This foundation is also available in 20 other shades, so according to your skin tone, especially for the Indian skin tone, you can choose from them and can buy anytime from their app or original website. Coming to the second product, I have this one. This is their Contour de Force Best Palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and this is I got as a gift, but I loved it because a gift matching and performing according to my hope is just my dream. Comes with a mirror like this. Three things, like this is the blush, this is the highlighter, and this is a contour. Especially I like the blush. I use it as the eyeshadow best because it is pinkish nude in color, and they are also available in other two shades like 02 and 03. You can check out their official website for the other palettes. Talking about the contour one, this is very soft and all the three things are very powdery. So if you love something in powder form but very subtle, so you can buy it. Highlighter is very pigmented, too much chunky or glittery, but very good according to me. And the blush, oh my god, I use it as my eyeshadow bed, so I think this is a good investment according to me. So this one costed around 799 in their original app, but you can also get it for like some kind of offers in any of the websites like Nykaa, Amazon, so you can check it out. Moving on to the next product, I have their translucent powder, which is their all set to go translucent powder, and this is one of my favorite, which comes in a packaging like this, in a glass packaging and with a lid like this. So it opens up like this and comes with a mirror. So they also come with a puff like this, and yeah, the product comes here. You can open it by it, or you can use it with a powder puff. If you want your makeup to be a little bit matte, or if you are a matte person, you can use it, because this powder is one of the most favorite powder of mine. It originally costed rupees 649, but I got it for somewhat 550. You can check out their website and buy it. Moving on to the next product, I have their setting mist, which is their Sugar Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist. It is in the shade Dewy. They have other two shades, like SPF 30, and another one is the matte one. So it is, I think, in 50 ml, which originally costed rupees 749, and it is one of my favorite, and I have used it today in my makeup. So you can see it is giving me a very soft, yet not so matte look, because this claims to be a dewy one. This is very smooth on the face. You can use it as a mist or as a setting spray, whatever as you like. I love this. You can check out their original website. Moving on to the next product, I have a mini blush from them, which is one of my first product from Sugar I bought. That is the Sugar Contour de Force mini blush in the shade 03 Mauve Marble, and they have other 2 or 5 shades, I think. Somewhat looks like this. This is a pinky blush. If you are a very mauvish or pinkish fan, you can buy it. I have used it today, like you can see. Let me tell you one thing, that this is a very powdery blush, so use it according to the need. Don't overuse the product, because this comes a lot powder products, and if you're a powder product fan, then you can really invest in this, because this is a mini one. This cost around 375 rupees. I got it for 300 from their website in a sale. So you can check out the Nykaa or the Sugar website for the authentic product. Whatever the product I am showing you today, some of them are currently unavailable in all the websites and apps, because they have discontinued the product. But as of now, whatever the links I got from the websites, I mentioned in this video's description box, so you can check out and let me know which one is your favorite product among this. The next, I have few lipsticks from them, so let's check out one by one. Firstly, one of my OG and favorite lipstick from them. This is the Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade 05 Tan Helen, and oh my god, this shade is to die for. One of my favorite brownish shade, like this packaging. Oh my god, the color is so good and pigmented. Only one thing I'm very curious about, that they claimed it to be a transfer proof, but this is not completely transfer proof. They comes off, like you can see, this much comes off when you try to wipe it off. It originally costed around 749 in their website, but you can easily get it for 650 or 700 in any of the beauty apps. Next, I have a very fancy lipstick from them, which I bought from them out of curiosity, but I was very disappointed with the formula, which is their Air Kiss Powder Lipstick, which comes in like this packaging. This is in the shade 02 Candy Floss. This is kind of pinkish shade. You can also use it as a blush. I think one of the most disastrous lipstick I bought from them is this. So this lipstick cost around 249 rupees. I will not recommend you to buy this, but yeah, if you want to try it, you can. Next, I have another one of my most favorite lipstick from them. That is their Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade 11 Craig Reg, which is currently I am wearing right now. You can see how pretty is this. This is kind of not pinkish, like a mauvish color. Comes in 4.5 ml of product, and why it is one of my favorite, it's that it does not transfer. That is what it claims, that is smudge doesn't smudge, and if you are wearing it for like 5 or 6 hours, it will literally not smudge or transfer. This lipstick costed around 349 rupees in many websites, but you can get it for 300. Coming to the next product, I have there another Smudge Me Not lipstick in the shade 01 Brazen Resin, which I have already made a video about this. If you haven't watched the video, you can watch it in the I button. I've already given the link over there, and also I will give the link in the description box. So it is kind of a red color, which is like this, and somewhat looks like this. It's kind of a red color thing. If you are a red or a maroon color fan, you can easily buy it. Next, I have a crayon lipstick from them, which is their matte as hell crayon lipstick in the shade 01 Scarlet O'Hara. This is one of my oldest lipstick from them, and it is kind of a red shade. You can see how much I have used it. It's made up to be like this, and this is again a red shade. If you are a red color fan, you can buy this. This originally costed around 770 rupees, but yeah, I think for 770 rupees this is not very promising, so yeah, I will not recommend you to buy this. If you are only want to invest in this, you can buy. Next, I have another crayon lipstick, which is their Plush Crush Cream Crayon 06 Grape Goddess, which is kind of a very grape-ish color, which is the maroonish, and it somewhat looks like this. And yeah, this is another one which somewhat looks like this, and this is kind of a shiny and creamy formula. Coming to the last product of the series today, I have their mini lipstick shade. This is like this, 4 colors, and this is again their Smudge Me Not series lipstick in mini versions, and they have a pinkish one, a reddish one, and two of the mauve and maroon color. So I will show you one by one, and you will see the colors and also the textures, and I will recommend you to buy this because this is a good investment. Smudge Me Not lipsticks are anyway one of my favorite, and you will not regret buying these colors as well, and the formula is also to die for. So that's all for today. If you love this video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more content, and also let me know in the comments that which one is your most favorite product from Sugar Cosmetics, and I will come again with yet another video, so stay tuned. Bye.